In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Canva's bulk creation feature. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, handling social media posts, or if you're simply looking to automate repetitive tasks, this tutorial aims to guide you through the entire process, ensuring you harness Canva's full potential. So, let's dive right into it. To start, head over to Canva. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled Apps. Clicking on this will open a wide range of options for you to explore. However, today we'll focus our attention on a specific functionality: Canva's bulk creation feature. Within the Apps section, utilize the search functionality to streamline your navigation. In the search bar, type in the word bulk and hit enter. Doing this filters out everything unnecessary and pinpoints the option we need, which is the bulk create feature. Now, click on bulk create. This simple selection leads us to the core feature we're going to work with today. Next, you'll observe a button prompting you to upload data. Click on this button. At this stage, you have an option. You can either add your information manually or import it via existing spreadsheets or documents. For this particular tutorial, we'll go with entering data manually. This method is particularly advantageous when dealing with data that's unique and doesn't exist in a preset format. After choosing to enter data manually, look for an option to add text. When you click on Add Text, a blank field will appear. Take your time here and type in the text you intend to use across your designs. This could be your brand message, an event title, or perhaps content for a series of posts that you have lined up. Once you've entered your text, make sure to click on Done. Doing this saves the information you just inputted into Canva's system. The next step takes you back to the text on your design that you plan to connect with your data. Click on the text box, and you will notice an icon that looks like 3 dots. This often signifies additional options, and in this scenario, it does exactly that. By clicking these 3 dots, you'll open up a menu that provides the ability to connect data. Proceed to select Connect Data and choose the dataset or the specific text entries you've recently added. To finalize the process and view the results, click on Continue, and finally, wrap it up by clicking on Generate. Within moments, Canva will use the data you've input, creating a series of text variations. This automates a task that could otherwise be incredibly time-consuming. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can now leverage Canva's bulk creation tool to streamline your creative workflow, ultimately saving you valuable time and effort. Happy designing!